Welcome back to Grade 9 Mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter, Algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. Children, all of you take your homework. The previous class homework, all of you check it. Have you completed your homework? Then exercise 5.7, fifth sum, third subdivision and fourth one. Okay, then third one, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5 is divided by x plus 3. Okay, then here this is given in the standard form, isn't it? So in the synthetic division method, this is a synthetic division method, all coefficient you should write it. Then afterwards divisor, 0 of the divisor find out, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. Okay, this minus 3 we have to divide here. Then here 0, put 0. Then this to add it, 3 3 are 9, minus 9, and add this to minus 11 and minus 3 multiply and write here. This to add it, 40 and minus 3 multiply and write here. Add it, that's the remainder. Okay, remaining quotient. Okay, this is the quotient. Quotient, how many terms are there? 3 terms, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Constant, x term, x square term. So how we can write? Quotient is equal to 3x square minus 11x plus 40. Okay, remainder is minus 125. Am I correct? Did you get this answer? Okay, then fourth sum. 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, this is not given in the standard form. First we have to write in the standard form. Okay, and the standard form, how we can take this one, p of x is equal to 8x power 4. Here x cube term missing, isn't it? That place 0 x cube, write it, plus 0 x cube. Then minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, then d of x is equal to 4x plus 1. Okay, and then here 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. Minus 1 divided by 4 we have to write here. Okay, divide it. Then afterwards here put 0. Okay, 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 8 and this one multiply. Multiply means then what we will get? Multiply 8 divided by 4 is minus 2 we will get. Okay, this to add it, minus 2, and then minus 2 and this one multiply. Minus 2 into 1 by, not like that, here this to cancel. Okay, minus 2, how you will get? Minus 2 into minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, this to cancel means 1, here 2 it will come. Okay, 1 by 2 we will get. Okay, minus into minus is plus. Okay, here 1 by 2, that 1 by 2 right here. And afterwards this to add it. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So you add minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. Okay, one whole number. Then next one, fraction. So take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. This 2 and this one multiply, minus 4 plus 1. Okay, minus 4 plus 1. Here big number minus small number, big number sign. Minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, that minus 3 divided by 2 you write here. Okay, afterwards this 2 multiply. Multiply means then we will get 3 by 8. Afterwards like this add it. 6 plus 3 by 8 and take LCM. 51 divided by 8. Okay, then afterwards this to multiply time minus 51 divided by 32 you will get. Then afterwards this to 5 minus 51 divided by 32. This to add it, LCM 32, then 32 and 5 multiply, 160 minus 51 divided by 32. This to subtract means 109 divided by 32. 109 divided by 32 you will get. Okay, that value you write here. This is the remainder. Okay, remaining quotient. Then already I explained here 1 by 4 is their fraction, divisor is fraction, isn't it? So in that case how we will write the quotient? quotient is equal to this 1 by 4 you should take it. You should not take this minus. Okay. Then 1 by 4 only you should take it. 1 by 4 into this quotient. Okay. 8x cube minus 2x square minus 3 by 2x plus 51 divided by 8. Okay. Then each term we should divide it by this 4. Okay, 8x cube divided by 4. Then we will get what? Cancel. 2x cube we will get minus 2x square divided by 4. Cancel means then 1 by 2 into x square we will get. Then next one 3x divided by 2. We cannot cancel. 3 divided by 8. We will get plus this one multiply means then we cannot cancel. Okay, 51 divided by 32. Okay, and then that's the answer. Okay, again we should not we cannot find, we cannot take LCM. Okay, this is the answer enough. Then remainder, this is the remainder. Quotient is equal to, suppose a fraction given means then 1 by 4 into, suppose here 1 by 2 means that 1 by 2 into and this one. Then each term you should divide and find. Okay, this one easy method. The book another method is given. This one only easy for you. Okay, that's all. Did you get this answer? Then seventh sum. If the quotient obtained on dividing 3x cube plus 11x square plus 34x plus 106 by x minus 3 is what? Quotient here given. Okay, this is the given quotient. 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find a comma b and also the remainder. A and b value should find out and the remainder also you find. Okay, then this is the dividend. Okay, this is standard form is given. Synthetic division method we can follow. 3, 11, 34 and 106. And then this is the divisor. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Okay, and then that 3 you should write here. First term we have to put 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Right here this to add it to 20. 20 and 3 multiply. Right here 60. This to add it 94. 94 and 3 multiply 282. Then this to add 388. This is the remainder. Okay. Then remaining quotient. Quotient is equal to 3x square plus 20x plus 94. Okay, this one comparing with given quotient. This is the given quotient. 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay, both also compare it. These two quotients compare it. Here x square coefficient is what? 20. Here x coefficient is a. Therefore 20 equal to a. These two are equal. Okay, first term equal, isn't it? And so then these two are equal. Then a is equal to 20. Then constant, like that constant. Constant is equal to, here constant value is 94, here b. Isn't it? 94 is equal to b, therefore b is equal to 94. Hence we will get the answer a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 94 and remainder is this one. Got it this answer? Have you completed everyone? Very good. Next we are going to study, today we are going to study factorization using synthetic division. Factorization using synthetic division. Then here some notes, two notes are given. Okay, for any non-constant polynomial p of x equal to a is 0 means then p of a equal to, if and only if p of a is equal to 0. Okay. And then for any non-constant polynomial p of x equal to a is the 0 means p of a is equal to 0. This one already we learned, isn't it? Then the second one, x minus a is the factor for p of x means, okay, if and only if p of a is equal to 0 means which is the factor? X minus a is the factor. This one factor there already we learned, isn't it? Then to identify x minus 1 and x plus 1 are the factors of polynomial. How we can identify? Okay, x minus 1 is the factor or not a factor, then how we can identify? Okay, and then two methods here given. First we have to check x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. How we have to check? if and only if sum of the coefficient of px is 0. Okay, sum of all coefficient, okay, coefficient of the divisor, not dividend, all coefficient you should add it. Adding time, if you get 0 means then x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. At once we can write. Okay, then x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. How we can write? If and only if sum of the coefficient of even power you should take in and add even power and including constant. Even power, coefficient and constant also add it. Okay, that sum and coefficient of odd power of x. Sum of coefficient of odd power of x. These two are equal means then at once we can written as what? X plus 1 is the factor of p of x we can write. Okay, here two conditions are given. With the help of this condition, next question we can do. Okay. Factorization using synthetic division. Example 3.38. Example 3.38. Prove that x minus 1 is the factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Okay. Second one, prove that x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. First we have to take let p of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Okay. Here suppose x minus 1 is the factor or not a factor, we want to prove that x minus 1 is the factor, we have to prove. Okay. Already we learned one condition, isn't it? X minus 1 is the factor of p of x means sum of the coefficient of p of x is 0. Means then at once we can write what? X minus 1 is the factor. Okay. Then sum of coefficients. Sum of coefficients. Sum of coefficients is equal to, say the sum of coefficient x cube. What's the coefficient? 1. X square. What's the coefficient? Minus 7. X. What's the coefficient? 13 plus 13 and minus 7. All coefficient we have to add. Am I correct? 1 plus 13 is 14. Negative 2 numbers added. Sign minus. Okay. 4 plus 7 is 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay. 14 minus 14 is 0. Did you get 0? Sum of the coefficient is 0. At once what we can write? Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of which one? P of x. Am I correct? P of x. X minus 1 is the factor of P of x. Then this is first question. Then second one. Then prove that x plus 1 is the factor. X plus 1 is the factor. What's the condition? First we have to take let this one q of x shall we take? Q of x is equal to x cube plus 7x square plus 13x plus 7. Okay. Here what's the condition? Second condition is saying sum of the coefficient of even power and constant. Okay. Even power and constant term. Okay. Here even power, this two term. Even power and constant. Okay. Both also we have to add. Then we can write like this: sum of coefficients of even powers, even power of x and constant term. Here which is the even power? X square, isn't it? X square is the even power. Then what's the coefficient? 7. Constant term is 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Am I correct? Then next one, sum of sum of quotients of odd power of x. Okay, sum of quotient of odd power of x. Which is the odd power? X cube. Okay, x cube. What's the quotient? 1. Then next one, x power 1. That is odd power. Okay, that means the quotient is 13. 1 plus 13 is equal to 14. Okay, correct? And then at once what we can write? Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of q of x. How? Then sum of the quotient of even power and constant, these two are equal. We got here 14, here also 14. Okay, correct? And these two are equal. At once we can write what? X plus 1 is the factor. X plus 1 is the factor of q of x. We took here q of x, isn't it? So, then sum of the quotient of even power of x and constant term is equal to sum of the quotient of odd powers of x. These two are equal. We got at once we can write what? X. Therefore, x plus 1 is the factor of q of x. Any doubt? They clear this condition? Suppose x minus 1 means at once you check it. Sum of the quotients. All quotients added. Suppose if you did not get 0 means this is not a factor. X minus 1 is not a factor. You write it. Okay. Suppose 0 if you get means x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. We can write. Any doubt? Next we are going to see example 3.39. Factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 into linear factors. Here 3 factors you should find out. And then x square term. Then quadratic equation means 2 factors we will get. But here x cube also given. Isn't it? So how many factors we will get? 3 factors we will get. So we can find the factors. Okay. Then let p of x is equal to what is given. That one you should take it. Okay. First we have to check. First factor we can find. Okay. How we can find? Then now two conditions we learn, isn't it? Sum of all the quotient we have to check. Okay. Sum of all the quotients. Sum of all the quotients is equal to what are the quotient? You say x cube 1, then x square is 13, then x is 32, then plus 20. Okay. Then everything you should add means then what we will get? Here 5, 66 we will get maybe. 2, 5, 6, okay. 666. This is not equal to 0. Whether it is 0? No, it is not equal to 0, isn't it? So at once you write it. Hence, x minus 1 is not a factor. This is not a factor. X minus 1 is not a factor. So we have to check. Next condition we can check. Okay. Sum of the quotient of even powers and constant term is equal to, which is the even power, x square, isn't it? And then quotient is 13. Then add the constant 20. Both also added. Then equal to 13 plus 20 is 33. Isn't it? Next we have to check the sum of the quotient. Of odd power. Odd power is equal to what are the odd powers? You say x cube, and then quotient is 1, Then here x term 32, isn't it? Coefficient 32. These two add means then 33 we will get. These two are equal or difference? Equal, isn't it? So at once we can write what? Therefore, hence x plus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of p of x. Okay. Only one factor we got. X plus 1 is the factor we find, isn't it? Next we have to use synthetic division to find the other factors. Okay. Now we use synthetic division. Synthetic division to find the other factors. To find the other factors. Okay, to find the other factors. In the synthetic division method, shall we use, the synthetic division method? What are the coefficients? All coefficients you should write it 1, 13, 32 and 20. Okay. And then one factor we find is x plus 1 is the factor. Therefore, x equal to x plus 1 is the factor means then x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1. Okay. This x equal to minus 1 we have to write here. Then put 0 here. 1 plus 0 add it 1. 1 and minus 1 multiply minus 1. This to add 12. 12 and minus 1 is minus 12. Then this to add it. Add means 20 we will get. Then 20 and minus 1 is minus 20. Okay. Last 0. Okay. Then this is the factor. So only here we got 0. Okay. Remaining quotient is quotient you say. This is the quotient, isn't it? This quotient you should write it. Using factorization method, two factors we can find. That method enough for us. Okay. And then p of x is equal to, we can write what? Now p of x is equal to already one factor we got, isn't it? X plus 1. Okay. Remaining this quotient. Okay. This quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay. And then x plus 1 is the one factor. Okay. X plus 1, this is one factor. Like this, two factors we have to find. Okay. Y means this is the quadratic equation. Okay. And with the help of this quadratic equation, two factors we have to find. Okay. Shall we take separately? Then x square plus 12x plus 20 is equal to, here what's the coefficient? X square. Then this x square, here coefficient is 1, isn't it? This 1 and 20 multiply 20. Product is 20, sum is 12. What are the numbers you say? Product 20 we need, then sum 12. Very good. Here 2 and 10. Correct? 2 and 10. Then shall we write here this x square term like that, write it. Can you remember this one? Already we learned. Okay, factorization method. Okay, already we learned. Then x square you should write it. This 2 terms, split it and write in the x term. Okay, plus 2x plus 10x. Then plus this constant 20. Okay. First 2 term you should take it, which is common. First 2 term common is x is common, isn't it? This 2 term and this 2 term you should take it. Okay, x common, remaining here x is there plus 2. Then here this 2 term which is common, 10 is common, we can take outside. Remaining x plus 10 2s are, then x plus 2. Okay, correct? Then equal to here this is this one term, this one inside the bracket x plus 2 common is there, isn't it? Remaining x plus 10. Remaining x plus 10. Like this, two factors we got. Have you understood? Already one factor we got. Like this, here also one factor two factors we got. Okay. Therefore, factorize our question right here. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x. Okay. Then plus 20 is equal to What are the factors? Already x plus 1, 1 factor. X plus 1 is 1 factor. Now here we got 2 factors. X plus 2 into then what? X plus 10. Like this. How many factors we got? 3 factors we got. Okay, if you multiply these 3, the same answer only you will get. Okay, here our question is factorize. That's the question. The linear factors you find out. This is the linear factor. Am I correct? Linear means the power what? 1. X power 1. Here also x power 1. Here also x power 1. Linear factors you find out. That's the question. This is an important 5 mark question. Are you clear? Factorize. X cube given means like this only you should do. First you find out what 1 factor you find out. First 1, 2 like that you check it. Suppose here x plus 1 also not a factor means the next x plus 2 find out. Okay. Then next x minus 2 find out. Like that you should do. Okay. And then first 1 factor find out. Afterwards using the synthetic division method. Here quotient find out. At quotient 2 factors you find. Okay. Then afterwards last answer. Already we got 1 factor. Here 2 factors. This 3 factors together I did. Very clear? Any doubt? This one very important 5 mark question. Okay. The same method, shall I give some question homework for you? Then exercise 3.8. First one, subdivision 1, 2, 3. Then fourth one, afterwards I will give. Then fifth and sixth. Okay, fifth and sixth. Correct? This one here how many questions? Then 5 questions homework I give. Okay, the same model. First one is what? X cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 20. Okay, this one first we have to check x minus 1 is the factor or not a factor. Suppose this is not a factor means then I have to check x plus 1 is the factor. X plus 1 is the factor means what's the condition you say? Sum of the coefficient of even power of x with the constant is equal to or sum of the coefficient of odd powers. Both also equal means then which is the factor? X plus 1 is the factor, you write it. Okay. And then suppose here first question no need. Okay, first one no need. Then here second one, which one? X minus 1 is the factor, we will x plus 1 is the factor, we will get here. Again we have to check, then only we will get first one. Okay. Then so second question, which is the factor? X plus 1 is the factor, we will get. Okay, then afterwards the same method you follow. Okay. Third question also x minus 1 is the factor, all coefficient you should add it, that time 0 you will get. Okay, at once you can write x minus 1 is the factor. Okay, then fifth one also like that. Okay, fourth you won't get, fifth. Okay, fifth x minus 1 is the factor you will get. Then afterwards then synthetic division method you follow. And then remaining 2 factors find out. Okay. Then sixth one also here x minus 1. X minus 1 is the factor you will get. Okay. So first one no need. Then second, third, fifth and sixth. Okay. 4 question homework. The same model. Today itself you practice. Then only one idea you will get. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can clear in the doubt clearing section. Okay, thank you students. Have a